there's no doubt. Let's speak about Africa Tasi. Yeah, and he has been linked kwenda pale Gor, and imeleta shida amongst AFC Leopard fans, and everybody is like, no, Katazi should stay, Katazi should move. Or akienda Gor atakaa bench. Boss, currently in Kenya hakuna goalkeeper mdeadly kama Humphrey Katasi. Currently hakuna. Hata ule mwenye alishinda Golden Glove Award last season, that is the former Shabana man, I don't know Chieng. He's just managed to get that thing because Humphrey Katasi alikuwa injured. Yeah. Na sometimes defense pia ilikuwa inaangusha Katasi. But if Katasi gets a better defense, hakuna goalkeeper mdeadly sahi Kenya kama Humphrey Katasi. Akienda pale Gor, Gad Matthews atakaa bench, Byron Omondi atakaa bench. Huyo msee is a better. Hakuna kipa mdeadly sahi Kenya kama Humphrey Katasi. Hata wenye wanatolewanga huku nje sijui wakina Bwire, wakina Shikalo, they can't. As we speak currently, Humphrey Katasi is the most informed goalkeeper in Kenya. And that's how unaona Gor Mahia wanamtaka. The only thing that Humphrey Katasi really needs to work on is his ball distribution. Hapo ndio Byron anampiga 10-0. Ball distribution. And I think even Setuba was so good in ball distribution. But calmness in the box, to read game, Humphrey Katasi is far better than all those guys. So I think it's up to AFC Leopards to try as much as they can to convince the guy to stay. I know it's hard because, hey, Gor now, Sahi, there is no doubt, is the wealthiest club in Kenya. Wakona do. Those guys, they have money. But do you know another thing you need to understand is that football is a very short career. Si kama walimu, si kama polisi or any civil servant job. Football is a very short career. So you need to be very quick in decision making and how you make them. Yeah. So Humphrey Katasi, all the best. Ukiamua kubaki na AFC, they give you a better offer. AFC is home. You are always welcome. Yeah, but if you also choose to join Gor Mahia, yes, tutaumia, tutasikia uchungu, but me personally, I like when I see a player grow. I like when tunataka tuone maplayer wakigrow, wakiprosper. And moving from Zoia to AFC to Gor, definitely in a player's career, that is a curve moving in the right direction. Because currently, Gor Mahia is a bigger club in Kenya. So, as the decisions are being made, let's just wish the player all the best in the decision he will make.